Ever wondered what makes an automotive multimeter automotive? Let's take a look through the features of the Fluke Automotive Digital Multimeter, the 88V, compared to some of our other top DMMs. Starting with the 87V. The Fluke 87V provides the resolution and accuracy needed for industrial troubleshooting. Diagnose issues with motor drives, plant automation, power distribution, and electromechanical equipment with a Cat 3 1000 volt and Cat 4 600 volt ratings. Next up, the 117. This compact and quick meter brings Volt Alert integrated non-contact voltage detection along with low impedance mode for facility maintenance work. Sitting at Cat 3 600 volt rated, it's a true RMS meter designed with an electrician's workload in mind. The 115 is similar to the 117 in many ways. It's a great option for standard electrical checks. The 115 also brings true RMS accuracy, min-max recording, along with a bright backlight and a Cat 3 600 volt rating, perfect for electricians out in the field. Now for the 88V. It matches the 87V's accuracy and fast analog bar graph, but it was purpose-built for engines. It's the only meter here with live RPM readout and injector pulse width measurement, plus ultra-fast peak capture to pinpoint starter spikes. The 88V is Cat 3 1000 volt and Cat 4 600 volt rated. It's safety first under the hood. Each of these meters has its time and place, but when you're dealing with an engine, the 88V turns chaos into clear numbers. One meter engineered for automotive. See exactly which Fluke meter fits your job best at fluke.com.